Looking for a soft, juicy, and authentic Afghani beef? Today, I'm sharing a traditional Afghani Deghi Kabab that melts in your mouth and needs no marination. Welcome to Afghan-Indian Kitchen, where we cook authentic Afghan and Indian home-style food. For this recipe, take 1 kilogram of beef undercut, a naturally soft and tender cut, perfect for slow cooking. First, fry the beef pieces until they turn golden brown. This step locks in the juices and gives deep flavour. Now transfer the fried beef into a pressure cooker. Add salt to taste, black pepper powder as per your preference, crushed garlic and a little turmeric powder. Mix everything gently. Be careful not to break the meat pieces. Now add 2 whole garlic bulbs and 1 whole onion. This gives the kebab its rich, traditional Afghani aroma. Add a glass of water. Close the lid and cook until the beef becomes soft, tender, and juicy.
A few minutes later.
Once cooked, open the cooker and enjoy this beautiful Afghani Deghi Kabab. Serve hot with naan, fresh onion slices, and lemon wedges. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Afghan-Indian Kitchen for more authentic Afghan recipes.